Welcome back. Now we are going to do the third subsection of the first numerical in the second exercise of Introduction to Trigonometry. Question is, evaluate the following: cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. So first we'll write down the trigonometric values of these angles. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Secant 30 degrees. Secant is 1 by cos, correct? 1 by cos of 30 degrees. That is 1 by, what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will become 2 by root 3. Secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant is inverse of sine. So 1 by sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is half. So 1 by half, 2 will go on top. It is 2. So these are the values. The values are 1 by root 2, 2 by root 3 and 2. Now we will substitute cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. What is that? Cos 45, 1 by root 2 divided by 2 by root 3 plus 2. This is 1 by root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. I'm taking LCM here. 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3. Now root 3 will go on top. If root 3 goes on top, I'm left out with root 3 divided by root 2. Here 2 is common. So into 2, what is left out? 1 plus root 3. This is what is left out. So root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 into 1 plus root 3. This is what is left out. So I can write this now as root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Now I have to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, what I will do? Multiply by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So rationalize. Rationalize the denominator. So cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees is equal to, I will change the ink, root 3 into root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. I am rationalizing. So multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1. This is what I did. So here root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So that is root 3 the whole square is 3 minus 1. So 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, I am left out with 3 minus root 3 divided by 4 root 2. Now again multiply by root 2 and divide by root 2. So into root 2 by root 2. What will I get? 3 root 2 minus root 6. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6 divided by 4 into 2. So this is 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. This is the answer. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. So first write down the values. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Inverse of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Inverse is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30 degrees is 2. Inverse of sin 30. Sin 30 is half. Cosecant 30 will be 2. Substitute. 1 by root 2 divided by 2 root 3 plus 2. Take LCM. You will get 1 by root 2 plus divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 will go on top. You will end up with root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. 2 is common here, so you can take it out. Now rationalize denominator, which means multiply by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So it will become 3 minus root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into 1 is root 3. So 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. A plus b into a minus b. Remember that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So 2 root 2 into a square. Root 3 square is 3. B is 1. 1 square is 1. So 3 minus 1. So you get 4 root 2. Now again get rid of that root 2. Multiply by root 2. Divide by root 2. So it becomes 3 root 2 minus root 6. 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2, 4 into 2, 8. So 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8.